Okay, savollashlamsa, tekstni bir tafsilotga qarab boqaylik. Birinchi jumlada ow. Okay. Ow. Okay, ow. Ojon degan gap. Bu hisobda bir imliq so'z, mana. Bular shu bir yerni yiqilib ketganda va yoki bo'lmasa, masalan, bir yer puttik ketganda va yoki masalan shu jon og'rigandan deymiz. Sanlar ow. Ojon desak, voy ana deb baqiradi-ku ba'zida. Yeah, what is the matter, Andy? Voy Andy sizga nima bo'ldi? Endi musharaka what is the matter? Matter degan ish, masala, chatoq degan gap. Demak, sizga nima bo'ldi? Masalan, doktorxonaga kirsanglar, doktor nima deydi? What is the matter? So, oh, I have a terrible headache. I have a terrible toothache degandek-chi. Okay, nima debdi? I slept and fell downstairs. Okay, endi aytma ikki jumla. I slept. Men teyilib ketdim. I fell downstairs. Endi men ikki oddiy jumla qilib birga qanday qilyapti desanglar, bir jumla qilyapti. Demak, endi igisi o'xshash bo'lsa, men keyindagi igisini qisqartib o'tishga bo'ladi. I slept and I fell downstairs. Endi agarki o'xshashlam shikilisining igisi I bo'lg'achqa, endi mishara I slept and fell downstairs. Men teyilib, shu peshtaxtdan yiqilib tushdim. Demak, pastga tushib qolibdi, shunami? Have you hurt yourself? Okay. And bu hurt deganimiz yaralanmoq, shunami? Have you hurt yourself? O'zingizni yaralantirib oldingizmi? Yes, I have. I think that I've hurt my back. Endi men I think I've hurt my back. Endi ma'no nima desanlar? To'ldiruvchi beqinli jumla. Endi to'ldiruvchi degan nima desanlar? Shu keyindagi bir obyektni ko'rsatadi, sharkatning obyektini. Sharkatning paydo qiluvchisiga obyekti deganimiz to'ldiruvchi. Demakchi, shu obyektining o'rnida bir jumla bor. Demak, I have hurt my back. Menimcha men shu dumbamni yaralantirib oldim. Mana birdamdan sizlarga tafsir to'xtamiz grammatikani o'qimizda. Try and stand up. Sinab beqamdikin o'rningizdan turing. Can you stand up? O'rningizdan tura olamsiz? Here, let me help you. Okay, let me manda qilay edi. Let me help you. Sizga yordam qilay. Let me help you. Keling, men sizga yordam qilay. I'm sorry, Lucy. I'm afraid that I can't get up. Men shundan ensiraymanki, men qanday qilmayman, o'rnimdan tura olmayman. I'm afraid that I can't get up. Men qanday qilmayman, o'rnimdan tura olmayman. I think that the doctor had better see you. Menimcha doktor sizni eng yaxshisi ko'rib qo'ysin. Endi men yerga had better deganimiz oldingi darsimiz o'rgangan bolalar. Had betterning keyindan endi nima cho'qim fe'lniki asl shaklga kelish kerak. Doktor eng yaxshisi sizni qanday tekshirsin, ko'rsin. I'll phone Dr. Carter. Men doktor Carterga telefon qilay. Demak, I will phone, okay? And doctor says that he will come at once. Doktor deydi-ki, o darhol kelmoqchi. I'm sure that you need an X-ray, Andy. Siz cho'qim ishonamanki, siz bir X rentgenga ehtiyojli. Demakchi, rentgenga tushishingiz lozim. I think that you need an X-ray. So take the possible answer, okay? Mush tuvendiklarinki muvaffaq javobini to'g'ri belgisi qo'yib qo'yganlar. Masalan, qaysi o'sha tekstning ma'nosiga uyg'un bo'lganlarga islamishada bir belgi qo'ysangiz bo'ladi. Masalan, he stood up at once. U darhol o'rnidan turib ketdi. Yes or no? No, right? He couldn't get up. O o'rnidan qanday qilmadi? Turolmadi. He hurt himself. O o'zini yaralantirib oldi. Yeah, right? And he called the police. Doktorga telefon qildimi, saqchadimi? No, he called the doctor, right? He called the doctor. The doctor came soon. Okay, endi nima doktor uzoq qolmay qanday qildi? Keldi, to'g'ri. Okay. Amsa bugungi darsimizningki grammatik nuqtasiga kelaylik bolalar. Grammar focus. Endi bugungi grammatik nuqtamizda to'ldiruvchi beqimli jumlasida to'xtalamiz. Endi bu to'ldiruvchi va to'ldiruvchi beqimli jumla degan nima? Degan ma'no bir so'zga avval bir aniqlik berib o'tsak. Hamda to'ldiruvchi deganimiz nima desanglar, shu ish harakatni qilishning obyektini ko'rsatadi. Masalan, I know you. Okay, hamda mishariki xabar qaysi desanglar, no, bilmak. Hamda kim biladi desanglar, I. Nimani biladi? Demakchi shu biladigan obyekt nima? Desanglar, you. Mishariki you deganimiz nima desanglar, to'ldiruvchi. Demak, bilguchi bo'lsa I, bilinguchi bo'lsa you. Demak, shu bilinguchi obyekt sharkatnikini biz to'ldiruvchi deymiz. To'ldiruvchi deymiz. Demak, mishariki you nima desanglar, to'ldiruvchi. Hamda bu to'ldirg'ich beqindi jumlalar desanglar, shu you'ning o'rnida yana bir jumla keladi. Bu jumlani biz to'ldirg'ich beqindi jumla deymiz. Masalan, I know that you can do it. Men sizning shunday qila oladiganligingizni bilaman. Masalan, I believe that you can do it. Shunami? Deganga o'xshash hamda shunga o'xshash you'ning o'rnida, ya'ni to'ldirg'ichning o'rnida bir jumla bor. Okay. Hamda bu yerki to'ldiruvchi beqindi jumla deganimiz, hamda mushariki beqindi jumla, shu jumlaning bo'ldirsangiz to'ldiruvchi vazifasini o'taydi. Adata buni nima boshlab keldi desanglar, that shuni boshlab kelgan gap. Adata biz ig'iz til so'zlaganda shu that qisqarib ketadi-ku. Masalan, bu ko'pincha shu to'ldiruvchi beqindi jumlaga ishlatilgan say, think, believe, hope, umid qilmoq degan gap. Know, bilmak, understand, tushunmak, suppose deb qaramoq degan mushular qanday qildi desanglar. Mushlarning keyindan kelgan gap. Undan keyin nima afraid demak ensirmak. Masalan, boshqalarni chiroyli rad qilgan I'm afraid deb tushuntamizku. Masalan, I'm sure jazm qilmoq. Sorry, okay, kechirim so'ramoq yoki afsuslanmoq, glad xo'shlanmoq degan mushlarning oxiridan qanday desanglar kelgan gap. Masalan, qaranglar, I know that I can repair this car. Mening shu mashinani remote qila oladiganligini bilaman. Okay, he says that he needs help. Okay, u deydi-ki, u nimaga ehtiyojli ekan? Yordamga ehtiyojli ekan. Okay, masalan, he says something. Demak, something. Mushariki that boshlab keldi, he needs help. Demak, mushar to'ldiruvchi kelib o'tirgan jumla. Tushundingizmi? Yana I'm sure that you need a new car. Men ishonmaymanki siz bir yangi mashinaga ehtiyojli. Demak, hamda you need a new car mana marsani mushariki to'ldiruvchi vazifasini o'tab keldi. Undan keyin masalan she says that she has found her pen. U deydi-ki, u qanday qilibdi? O'zining qalamini tepibdi. She has found her pen. U qalamini qanday qilibdi? Tepibdi. Undan keyin they say that they must remain here. Okay, ular deydi-ki, ular cho'qim mishada. They must remain here. Ya davomli qanday qilish kerak ekan, turish kerak ekan. Yoki mishada saqlash kerak ekan. And he says that he remembers you. Okay. U deydi-ki, u sizni qanday qildi ekan? Aslab turdi ekan. Unutib qolmaydi ekan. And she says that she doesn't speak English. And u o'zining ingliz so'zlamaydiganligini qanday qildi? Aytdi. Deganga o'xshash. Hamda bu shunga o'xshash. Masalan, they say that they are washing the dishes. Ular qajiyotganligini qanday qildi? Aytdi. Deganga o'xshash mushlarning keyinda qanday desanglar, bir jumla keladi. Masalan, I'm afraid that I can't get up. Men shu o'rnimdan turolmasligimni ensirayman. Demakki, men turolmayman degan gap. Aytchilik spayal. Okay, I'm afraid that I will be late. Men kechib qolamanki, yoki I'm afraid it will rain tomorrow. Nima? Atiyam qo'yishni qanday qilaman? Ansirayman. The doctor says that he will come at once. Doktor deydi-ki, nima desam, u darhol qanday qildi ekan, keldi ekan. Masalan, she says that she like music very much. U o'zining musiqaga omroqligini qanday qildi? Deydi. And I think that the doctor had better see you. Menimcha doktor sizdan eng yaxshisi ko'rib baqsin. Deganga o'xshash. Undan keyin endi shu so'ngida yana when, where, what, why, how. Undan keyin if, whether orqali qanday desanglar, okay. Boshlab keladi. Endi bularni qanday qilib o'tishga bo'lmaydi desanglar, qisqartirib o'tishga bo'lmaydi. Masalan, buni ega, Andiken be pile, onken adjective yak verb yak if. Mesela iga be don't adjective. Mesela I want to know if you went to London last week. Anda mi yaraki if deganimiz yakmandak. Sizin Londonga bargan yoki bormaganligingizni qanday qilgan ba? Bilgan ba. Okay. And I don't want, I don't know what you are talking about. Sizniki nima deyotganligingizni qanday qilib bilgim yo'q. Demak, endi mi yaraki what deganimiz masalan you are talking about. Mishariki bir to'ldirg'ich bo'ldi. So what is the matter with him? Okay, he says that he feels tired. Okay, endi men ishlab baqsaq nima desam, u deydi-ki, u qanday erib ketibdi. What do they want? Okay, bu yerda nima desamlar? U deydi-ki, u pul ehtiyojli ekan, nima deymiz? They say that they want some money. Okay, they say that they want some money. And what does she need? Okay, and he says that he needs a license. Over nimaga ehtiyojli ekan? License ehtiyojli ekan, pravaga. What does he want? Okay, he says that he wants some time. Ozroq nima? Pulga ehtiyojli ekan. Okay, no, vaqtga ehtiyojli ekan. So I hear, and the miyari qisqarib ketibdi, that name. I hear, men anladım, they has returned it already. Allah burun qanaqdi, qaytirib bo'pti. And he asked what were they doing at 8 last night. Okay, and keyin o'tgan zaman bo'lgan ekan, zaman birdek bo'lish uchun nima desanlar, were doing keldi miyara. And he said that they members of the party since 1948. Okay, they said that they had been member of the party, and they had been deganimiz hamda ular shu burun shundaqlik qiladi, tushunami? They had o'tgan ma'ni kerak so'zlaymiz. They had been member of the party since 1940s. Okay, hamda mana oxir qismi dersanglar, I think you you are talking about relay race now. Okay, relay race deganimiz kuch yo'lab yugurish musobaqasi degan gap. So, and samane boshurlar tanlab beringlar bolalar. Joe and downstairs. Joe qanday qildi? Slept and fell downstairs. And the slept niki to'g'ri spell qilinganligi ham shariki D bo'ldi. Uniki fall emas, nima fell o'tgan zaman shakllash kerak. Number 2, George says he will go to airport by taxi. Joe says that, that. Okay, don't worry. Let's you a hand. Let's give you a hand. So, would you like to have a drink with me? Sorry, I can't. I'm afraid. I'm afraid I can't. I don't know or not. Okay, and or not degan mishaga mandami yoki manda emasmi? Ishtami? Bu yoqni nima aytsanlar? Whether masalan I don't know whether he's at home or not. He's at home or not. Hamda buniki uyda yoki uyda emasligini qanday qilib bilmayman. Okay, number 8. This depends on the weather is fine. Okay. 뭐라고 말했잖아. Whether the weather is fine. Weather yakmandak. Shi for shnama. Abana yaxshi emaslik bilan munosabatlik. Number 9. The teacher asked the new student, class he was in. Okay, and the teacher asked me, the new student, which class he was in. And ders nimada ekanligini qanday desanlar, teacher mendan qanday qildi so'radi. Number 10. Are you interested in how did he do it? Okay, are you interested in what? See, how he did it. And uning qanday qilganligini qanday qiziqamsiz. Number 11. I don't know. Blah 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 blah. Mr. Green will come to see us. He'll help us with our English. Okay, I don't know. bir şey hakkında vaktini bildirgen bu, anda kaçan kelganligini. So when Mr. Green will come us. Demek when bir şey başlap keldi. When keyin ige, when keyin pilar qaysimlar. Number 5. Be careful, don't break the bottle. Do you hear? Okay. Do you hear? I said, David. Do you hear? What I said. Men nimdigiligini bildingizmi? Degandek. Okay, sağlaşın buldu. Siz bugünkü ders müşahitçi olsun. That's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.